will try to do a first start on my bike. For me in the garage, nothing seems to be easy. Okay, so now the moment of truth. I don't want to start it. Hello guys, I'm back in the garage and we'll continue working on my Suzuki. So talking about the bike, we pretty much did everything to it. I'm horrible at updating you guys on everything that I'm doing because I'm not filming everything, but you know, I'm just doing everything by the manual. So I think just watching the videos 10 minutes straight of me just putting the bolts in would be super boring. So I will skip that, but I'm waiting for the rear shock to come from Donny Racing, so I will be able to put the rear wheel in. We used all of the rear stands, so I'm using this chair, but it's doing such a great job, so I'm not complaining. But today is actually quite an important day because I will try to do a first start on my bike. So just pray for me in advance that there will be no faults. So what is left to be done is I should put the battery in, put the air filter box in, and also the fuel tank. So that's the job for today. And also I wanted to update you guys on my friend's bike because not only me but also my friend is doing a new bike's design, and look how it looks. The colors looks absolutely amazing. Of course it still needs some stickers on it, so my friend is still working on that. I love actually the darker turn signals, so I think I will do the same for my bike. But yeah, I will put the picture so you can see how it looked before. So I think that's a big, huge update. Also, one thing about the design, I decided that I wanted to put Rizoma-like mirrors on my bike because I think the old ones looks just like a slug to me. I don't know why, but I said this to my friend and he started thinking about the new mirrors also. And the ones that comes with the turn signals are a bit bigger, so I was afraid to order them. But me being a very smart woman, my friend ordered them first, then I will see how they look, and if I like them I will order them also. So I will update you guys on that when they come. But actually I have quite an important work to do today before starting on my Suzuki. It's been like 2 months since my last ride and my suit was never cleaned since then. So today I brought this conditioner with me. It's Turtle Wax. It's not for suits, it's actually for leather car seats. But my brother actually recommended me to use something for the car because usually the car seats get more damage, you know, than the suit. So it should be stronger. But I don't know if it's any good, so I will just update you on the results. But now we'll start working on that. So before cleaning it, I will not remove it from this wall mount because it's very comfortable. That's actually one more good reason why this wall mount is very good, because not only our suits looks very tidy in the garage, but also it's very comfortable to clean it. So if you would like to buy one, I will leave the link in the description down below, but I will use just a, I don't know, it's from the little shop, some chemicals, so I just hope it will not leave any stains on my suit. But you know, there's lots of flies on it, so I want to put something on it. Just leave it for 5 minutes and then they should remove maybe more easily. Okay, I will leave it like that, and then I will try to use microfibre and then remove everything. Actually, also one tip that my friend recommended is to use the leather shoe wax, I think. That's the thing, and that should renew the black color super nicely. But just because my suit is mostly not black, you know, it has a lot of gray bits and lots of, you know, brighter bits, so I didn't want to touch them and ruin it, so I'm skipping this part. But if your suit is all you know, black like this one, it should work pretty fine. My friend showed me the pictures and the results were just amazing. like it looked like a brand new one. But yeah, so now I will try to clean the mosquitoes and the flies and everything, because they are sleeping their winter sleep on my suit for too long now. And one thing about the shoe wax that I recommended you to use, don't use it on your back where you sit, because then you will slide from the bike, trust me. Okay, so all the flies are off, I think. It was pretty hard to remove them. I needed a lot of, chemicals for it. I wouldn't use it for the next time because I cleaned it and I was scared. Just, putting too much and damaging the suit. So I would just use some water and that's it. But now it's time for this conditioner. I will use quite a generous amount of it because I'm cleaning the suit only maybe like 2 times in a year. Okay, so I think I'm pretty much done. It was actually very easy to clean it when it was hanging like this. So talking about the product, I don't know if it's any good because it's still bad, but it looks like it did the job, so time will show how the suit will wear out, throughout the year. But yeah, so now it's clean and I can start finally working on my Suzuki. So let's go. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is put this air filter box in. So this part should not be too hard. At least I will install that. For me in the garage, nothing seems to be easy. So firstly, I will try to put the hole in, which is not moving. Not a good start. Okay, I think I did it. Yeah, I think I did. I will secure it now. I think it's secured. Now should put it into correct place. Okay, I think I did it. So this part is all done. Another hole. Okay, for this one I will need some tools. I'm alive. I use the duct tape just to make sure that the plugs doesn't go in the way. Now I will put them on. That's the easy part. But so far everything went quite well, so not complaining. Okay. Now I have to secure it with a bolt. Okay, so now we'll try to tighten the air filter clips. Okay, and in the other side. Okay, so I'm done with this part, and now I'll put the battery in. So I want to turn the engine on starters just to make sure that everything runs freely and we assembled everything correctly, and of course for the oil to go through the system. So now I will try to secure it. Okay, so now the moment of truth. I will just take my keys. Trust me, I feel super scared, so I just hope there will be no knocking sounds coming from the engine. Wish me luck. Guys, there is no bad sound. I think tonight I definitely will be drinking some wine to celebrate it. But now I think it's time to put the fuel tank on, and I think I will need some help from my friend, so I will continue working with him now. Okay, so now it's the moment of truth. So the tank is on, and I will try to turn it on and just hope that there will be no faults. I don't want to start it because I'm too afraid. The engine been running for a few minutes now. There's no fault on the dashboard. The oil light is off, so that means that the oil pressure is good. So I'm so happy because I couldn't hear any bad sounds, any bad noise coming from the engine. So trust me, today I'm going to drink not only one but 2 bottles of wine just to celebrate it properly. But I'm so happy we did. My friends and I did quite a good job on everything, so hooray! I just can't wait for the spring even more now. I just want to try this bad boy out on the streets, but I'm super excited that everything ran smoothly. So for the next video, what I will do, I will remove the fuel tank again because I need to prepare it for the painters. The plastics are on their way in the post, so it should be here quite soon, and then I will start working on the design. So that's the most fun part for me, so looking forward to that. But yeah, for now that's it. I hope this video was enjoyable for you to watch. Don't forget about the wall mounts. I'm leaving the link in the description below if you would like to buy one. They look just amazing. You need to have it in your garage, that's for sure. But yeah, so if you like the video, don't forget to follow my channel, leave a thumbs up, and as always, kisses, bye!